Now, let's use the trigonometric ratios to find an unknown angle. It's the same process. Let's say this is theta. This side would be the hypotenuse, this side would be the opposite, and this side would be the adjacent. The same ratios I'll be using. We start by sine theta, which is equal to the opposite over hypotenuse. Also, cosine theta, which is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and tan theta, which is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. In order to find an unknown angle, let's say I have sine theta, which is equal to A over B. In order to find theta, I simply use the sine inverse function. So theta would be equal to sine inverse of the value A over B. Let's see an example on how to apply the sine inverse function to find an unknown angle. In this example, we want to find out the value of theta in the following triangle. We start by labeling our triangle. The side opposite to the 90 degrees angle is the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to theta is the opposite. So now, what I have, I want to find the angle. I have the hypotenuse and I have the opposite. So I will be using sine theta. So in this case, sine theta is equal to the opposite, which is 8, over the hypotenuse, which is 12. So to find theta, I want to find the sine inverse of this value, which is 8 over 12. So using our GDC, we go to the run matrix and we press shift sine. It gives me the sine inverse and brackets. I add the fraction 8 over 12. I close the bracket and this value would be equal to 41.8 degrees. So this value is 41.8 degrees.